Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Monday, 12 February 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the New Zealand dollar, the US dollar and the CAD, and short on the yen, the Swiss and the Australian dollar. My first pick of the day is a potential short in the Aussie US dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Aussie has been weak for quite a while now, and I'm still trying to be short always, every day. I'm trying to short Aussie. Dollar still strong. New Zealand taking the sparkle, which is quite amazing if I look at the strength of the dollar in general. But New Zealand taking all the sparkle on the short-term side of things. But Aussie, weak, dollar, very strong. So I would love to short this. That will give me a short on the Aussie and a long on the dollar. Still, this last directional swing, market consolidating a lot now. But if it retraces back to this 50% level, I'll definitely consider something if I can get some candle reversals up there, or any pattern reversals like double tops or triple tops, or anything that gives me a nice technical top reversal. Then the New Zealand yen, big swing, really big swing, but you can see New Zealand up there, yen down there, and as I've said, you know, every time the Bank of Japan interferes, it pushes up the yen way up there, and then just dribbles down the page until it gets the weakest spot again. Swiss and yen fighting for the weakest of them all, but at this stage Swiss is winning, but yen is not far behind. So if I look at the New Zealand, I want to be long New Zealand. I would love to be short yen, and taking a long here will give me that opportunity. But I'm going to need a big retracement. I won't take the trades up there. I'm not saying it will come down here. I'm saying if it comes down here, I'll then look for some longs. Nice big lateral support level, which, well, resistance level that could become support now at this stage. So let's hope maybe later this week, like maybe I'm a little bit early with this, but I like to put these things on my watch list. It gives me that peace of mind that if something hits a certain level, I can analyze and I will never miss something I wanted to trade. Then Brent oil. Big swing, trend turning bullish now. Nice resistance and support level here between the 50 and 61% of this last directional swing here. So if I can get oil to come back to the $79 levels here, that would help me a lot. But that's a $3 drop, which is quite big. Oil looks strong, but I'm not going to chase it. I won't take the trades up on these levels. I'm going to wait patiently for the market to come to my order. If not, I will not take the trade. And the euro yen. Euro definitely stronger than the yen. Euro gaining, yen falling. I know the euro is not my main focus for today, but I'm looking for a short in the yen. So by buying the euro yen, I end up being short yen. So I'm going to try to get a retracement. If it gets back down there, between the 50 and the 61% level, you can see a nice market structure coming in here. That's the area, the resistance that could become support, right at the Fibonacci levels I'm watching. So if it gets down there, I'll look for some candle reversals. In the Euro New Zealand, touching the level I'm watching now. If you look at Euro New Zealand, still New Zealand very strong. The worrisome part is the Euro slowly but surely gaining here. If the Euro later today moves into the green zone, I would be very worried taking this trade. Other than that, if it stays like it is, I'm comfortable shorting this. And you can see here, market structure coming in there and already testing it. And at between the 50 and 61% Fibonacci. So strong move up last night. So I'm going to need quite a strong reversal here. On a Monday, nothing before 12 o'clock, but this candle will only close by 12 o'clock. So if I can get a nice bearish engulfing on this one, I'll definitely consider some shorts here. In the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, I had different levels up there last week, but I've changed my mind this morning and said, right, you know what? I've got my eye on that level for quite a long time. You can see support, 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 resistance. Nice last big swing. So if it gets back up there, it's right at the Fibonacci 61% level. So that's where I'm going to keep my eye. And if you look at Aussie there and CAD there, they're red zone against the green zone. I'm very comfortable trading that. Unless I see a change, a heavy change in that, I will consider some shorts if I can get it up there. But for now, sit wait patiently for the level to be hit. In the pound New Zealand, also retracing now to the level I'm watching. This last directional swing from there to there, you can see here. And a lot of structure coming in here. You can see the support, 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 support. Now it could become resistance. And if I look at the pound New Zealand, two different colors. Yes, I know pound is in the neutral zone, but New Zealand is the one I'm after. That's the one I want to be long in. And being able to short the pound New Zealand, that will ultimately give me a long position in the New Zealand. So that's what I'm after. I'm waiting for the test. And once I get the test, I'll then look for some short setups. And the Euro Swiss, nice big swing up the page, coming back down right to 61% level at this market structure here, which even historically was a level that you had to reckon with. And nice swing up, bullish trend turning our way now. And if I look at the Euro Swiss, the black sheep of the market at present, fighting with the yen to have the lowest position, but winning at this stage. So Swiss, definitely I want to be short here. CAD yen, nice clear cut swing up the page, retracement. CAD there busy gaining, or actually holding the position very strong. CAD needs to do a lot to catch those two because they are very strong. But CAD, I want to be long CAD and I want to be short yen. Now taking a long position here will give me both of those directions. So I'm waiting patiently. You can see we had a little big of consolidation period here, a nice big consolidation. I'm waiting patiently for the retracement, and then when I get some counter reversals here, I'll then consider some long setups. In the US Swiss, a little bit of an iffish level this morning. I've got the big level here also. If it gets back down here, I've got the 50 to 61% right at this level. I love this level. I love it a lot. That's actually my preferred level. But a little bit of a higher risk trade coming in on this last swing here. You can see here at the 50% level, that V bottom there, you can see right there. It's a little level I'll consider, but I will be cautious. Why will I be cautious? Because I can see a little bit of a wedge pattern forming there, rising there, and busy breaking that. I'm a little bit cautious, so most likely for me it will be a half a position or something like that. It's not the best of the base levels that I want to do, but nonetheless, if I can get a strong reversal there, and there's no doubt in my mind that the candle looks good, I'll then take the long. But other than that, I'll step away and come back to this level here. So if my trade idea fails up there, I'll try another one here. In the US yen, nice, strong, clear-cut run. You can see here, we had the bullish run, the consolidation, another bullish run, and now we could sit with a consolidation back to this area here. That's just how the market moves. We need to know. I don't like to trade patterns in the sense of trading the name of a pattern, because that can get people into trouble. But if you've got enough indicators showing you that the pattern have a high probability of working, you've got an RS in your direction, you've got a trend in your direction, you've got lateral support resistance in your direction, you've got a Fibonacci in your direction, well then pretty much the pattern doesn't matter. So it's for me all about the consolidation, not about the pattern name. Don't get me wrong, I never trade patterns on their own, they don't work. If the US yen can come back here, dollar strong up there, yeah, so this gives me my long on the dollar, it gives me my short on the yen if I can take a long position here. So let's see if I can get back down there. It's a little bit beyond the Fibonacci level, but you can see here, actually even from there, but let's call this one resistance, support, resistance. So I like that level still, even if it's outside my normal level. In rare circumstances, I do trade those levels. 95%, 98% of the time, I want that level to be in between the 50 and the 61% level. This is just on the other side of that. I'll also see in which manner it comes down before I make up my mind. In the pound Swiss. Now, pound Swiss has got two levels. Nice run up the page here, and the retracement back to the 50 to 61% level, right at structure here. You can see I'm even started picking it up there. At that area there, you can even see there was a little bit of resistance, it became support, now became resistance, even the break there, then resistance. It's a lot of levels confirming it. So, but I'm focusing on the most recent one, which is that little level there. So if it can come back here to this level, I'll definitely be interested. Then we had this consolidation breakout. Now I wanted to take the breakout there on the retest, but that ended up as a doji candle on Friday, and I would like to see, was a retest, shows support but doesn't show me that it's going to reverse off the support level. I wanted this to be a hammer candle which will close closer to the high of the candle with a small body on the top. It was a doji, so I did not go in, but the level is still valid. If you look at the retracement back to this level here, I will then definitely be interested. If you look at the pound Swiss, now I want to be long, I want to be short Swiss for that matter, so I'm not after the pound, I'm after the Swiss. So if I can get a long setup either there or there, then I would definitely be interested in going long, because that will give me a short position on the Swiss. And the pound US, a little bit of a, getting a little bit difficult this one. I've got this level in at the 50% level, but if I look at the pound, the pound US there, you can see here, pound's getting dangerously close to the dollar, with the euro and the pound gaining speed here. A little bit worried about this type of trade, but I'll be cautious if I can get a nice solid test and then a reversal pattern, and yeah, I need them a little bit further apart, so I'll most likely be cautious with a half a position here on the pound US. But for now, just something to watch and just be nimble with this one. And my favorite trade idea for today is the potential long on the New Zealand Swiss. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's get back to the New Zealand Swiss then. The New Zealand Swiss, very nice level, very nice strong run. I've been watching this for quite a while now, sitting a bit on the sideline, which is not nice. But if I use this last swing from this low to that high, and I then look at the Fibonacci 61% retracement, right at that preceding high there, nice structure coming in there, nice resistance that could become support. And the obvious reason why it's my favorite setup for the day is New Zealand Swiss. I'm actually having a nice setup on the currency with all the sparkle in the world against the black sheep of the world. All right, so at this stage, everybody wants dollar, nobody wants Swiss. That's why I'm very keen on this one. So if I can get a retracement back to this level here, and I see some candle pattern reversals, I'll definitely take some longs later today. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you guys. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.